So, here is the Ender 3 Pro. Set up next to my computer. Now I've already got a back cover on the back of the controls. So the back cover I put on. I'm making another one for the 3D printer at work. It's got all the holes in it. That's the hole for the speaker. And that square hole at the back is for the cable. See if you can see the cable down there. See that cable at the back right? Going in the back of it. And then it's got the holes for the bolts to hold it on. Also made that, the nut and the extruder, the filament holder.
Daddy!
Yeah, my boy. What's happening? What? Crazy, man. Do you like the 3D printer?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, do you think it's cool how we can make Batman and Spider-Man and Superman and all those cool guys? We can make them on this.
I want to make him on this.
You want to make a Batman bangarang? Or whatever they call it?
No,
Oh,
Batman.
they call it batarang, not bangarang. A batarang. And he throws him. Batman throws him. That's his weapon. And it goes bang and hits him.
Yeah.
But first, what do you want to make first? Do you want to make a Superman?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll make Superman.
And Hulk.
And Hulk. And we'll make a Hulk. That'd be cool.
Yes. And a ballerina.
Okay, and a batarang. Sweet. That'll be fun, won't it? See how I got rainbow coloured, zoom in, rainbow coloured filament. At the moment it's gotten to...
I want to.
You want to record? Okay, you can record. Go on, buddy. Go record. Good boy. Don't push that. That'll stop it. See? You're making a video, Lucas. Pretty good. That is your pants. Yeah. Yeah, put it on there. People don't want to see my top. They want to see this.
Stop. Oh, I missed it again.
Okay.
I can't see it. It's got to say a minute. Cool.
Do you want to watch your video now?